Hello, you guys. It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel for the love of. If you're joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome and thank you for taking the time to click on this first time ever DW Home candle haul. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome on back. You guys, I hope you're all doing well. Hope everyone's hanging in there. Today we're going to be talking about DW Home candles. Those of you who have followed me, whether on Instagram or YouTube for a while now, you've seen me post some reviews / some posts of DW Home, but not that many. To be honest with you guys, any other time I've purchased DW Home products, it's either been from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. This is actually the first time I've ordered directly from their website. It's been one of those things for like the past 6 months or so. I've been wanting to place an order with them, but I just never got around to it, or would look at the items, they'd sit in the cart, and I just, would wind up not ordering it. But 2 weeks ago, I was looking online. I saw some scents that I was really interested in, finally just pulled the trigger and wound up placing an order. And that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. So like I said, a lot of these, I don't think any of these are new scents, but they're new to me. So without further ado, let's take a peek and see what I got. All right, and let's take a look and see what I got. Before I start unboxing everything, I do want to show you guys, this was packaged very nicely. There was more tissue and packing on top of it, but it doesn't seem like anything's broken. This did arrive fairly quickly as well. Just want to throw that out there. Like I said, I placed the order about 2 weeks ago. So, I'll take 2 weeks over never arriving at this point. So came packaged nicely, and then it also arrived somewhat on time. So I can't complain about that. Let's just grab it random and I'll show you what I got. So I'm already seeing, I must have got, this is a larger sized candle here. Let me open it up and show you. All these fragrances, I don't remember the names of all the ones I ordered, but I do know all the ones that I ordered fragrance wise. They're all going to be like a gourmand or kind of bakery type fragrance. There was one scent, I think it was called Catercorn or Cat Unicorn, something like that. And it was supposed to be just like a yummy kind of confectionery type fragrance. That one was sold out. If I can find a picture of it, I'll post it up on the screen. There was also another one that was called Strawberry Shortcake. That one was sold out as well. So if I can find a picture of that one, I'll put that one up as well. So those were the two I was really looking at, but they weren't in stock. So packaged very, very well. The lid's kind of stuck in here. So this fragrance is pretty standard, pretty generic, but ooh, I already got a good sniff of it too, just from the lid kind of popping up. So can't go wrong with a good French vanilla. Now this is the 2-wick version. They also come in a single wick version, and I think they might come in one more version if I'm not mistaken. This is 56 hours of burn time. Typically when I burn DW Home candles in the past, it's always been this 2-wick version right here. I feel like it's gonna throw a little bit more quickly. It smells really, really pretty. It's just a very smooth, almost has a bit of spiciness to it. That'll be interesting to see if that comes through while burning. I'd have to take a peek. I don't think they don't put notes obviously at the bottom. If I can find the notes online, I'll pop them up on the screen. It just smells like a really smooth, straightforward vanilla scent with maybe a little bit of spice to it. So to me, this almost has like a fall vanilla vibe, almost like a chai. Kind of interesting. So it smells different than I thought, but I do really like the fragrance. I will obviously wind up doing Instagram follow-ups on all of these fragrances. And if any of you guys are interested in like a dedicated review to any of these candles, leave it in the comments below and I'll obviously do that for you guys. Again, packaged very nicely. Typically I take all the wrapping and stuffing off all the candles before I unbox, but there weren't too many in here. If you guys have been burning any DW Home candles recently, leave it in the comments below and let me know which ones are your guys' favorites. Like I said, those other two were sold out. Really bummed about those. They do have an option for you to get set up for email alerts when they're out of product, which I thought was really nice. and they'll actually send you an email when it's in stock. Okay, so I'm just opening this one up, and I can already smell this one. This one's probably going to be pretty strong. I am so glad I got this one. So glad. And I almost got this one in the larger version, but I flip-flopped them. So let me show you the next one I got. It smells so good. Vanilla coffee. I almost got this one in the 2-wick. So that's the single wick version right there. Those of you who like Campfire Coffee from Bath & Body Works, if I can find a picture, I'll put it up on the screen, or But First Coffee. I need those type of scents. That's what this smells like. This one is burn time of approximately 33 hours. I can already tell, I think this one might be a stronger scent. I do want to just mention, I really like the sleekness of the candles, just really pretty. I feel like they would kind of blend with most any decor. They would kind of like blend right in. So I do appreciate their nice packaging on those. So that is the vanilla coffee. They did also have one that was just like a plain, like ground coffee or black coffee scent. I didn't want a full-on coffee scent, but that vanilla coffee seems to have a nice little blend. And that's it on candles. I did also wind up purchasing a couple wax melts. I've never used DW Home's wax melts before, so I'm excited to try these out. These were other fragrances I was contemplating getting in candle form, but I decided I would try it in wax melt form first. First one is Vanilla Bean. I have a feeling I'm going to wish I would have gotten this one in candle form. Let's see. And I obviously haven't smelt these before. Nice little clamshell. Pretty decent amount of wax. I think these were only $6. They were either $3 or $6. Let me see. So they were $6. Let's see how it smells. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. And that's the Vanilla Bean. Light. Okay, so I am kind of glad I wound up getting the French vanilla in the candle instead of this. Don't know if it's because it's just not melted down. These aren't cold or anything, so it's light. I just get a very soft vanilla bean fragrance. Very, very, very soft. I will obviously, like I said, do Instagram follow-ups on these. I really like the sleek packaging. I do appreciate that. And then the other one that I got, probably should have, again, gotten this one in a candle, but that's Birthday Cake. I was on a Gourmand kick, obviously. They were also out of, there was like a blueberry pie or some sort of blueberry vanilla. Blueberry vanilla, if I can find a picture of that. They were also out of the blueberry vanilla. That was another scent I really wanted from DW. So Birthday Cake, again, comes in the clamshells, and I have not smelt this fragrance before. Let's see. Again, it's just not that strong. Stronger than the Vanilla Bean. Okay, now I'm kind of getting some of the scent. This one definitely is stronger than the Vanilla Bean. This one seems to be the lightest of the bunch. I would like to see how this performs like in candle form. I can smell like the kind of birthday cakey kind of vibes. I just am worried that both of these wax melts might be lighter. Again, we'll see. I'll obviously wind up doing Instagram follow-ups on the wax melts. And if you guys are interested, I can do a actual candle review video for both of these fragrances. That is it. Just a mini little haul. Like I said, some of the scents I wanted were sold out. But if you guys have used any DW Home candles, leave it in the comments below. Tell me which ones are your favorites or what ones you guys are burning now. Before I sign off, I do want to let you guys know I'm on Instagram. So if you're on there, come find me at life, L-I-F-E _with WITH_letter L. I use my Instagram to post a lot of upcoming videos, purchases, hauls. I'll do a lot of wax follow-ups. So if you're on there, come find me. You guys, that is it for me today. As always, I hope you're having an awesome day, an awesome evening, weekend, whatever time it is you're watching this video. Until next time, we'll see you later.